So part of this, the Garden to Plate is associating the food that we eat with the plants that we grow. And part of this, as part of gardening, is we need to associate which plants are in the same plant family. And the reason for this is because plants in the same plant family often need the same growing conditions. So, very easy, the spinach family, we know because the leaves are they don't have any serrations, and they're nice and smooth and nice dark green. All right, so this is spinach, and what we can do is when we're doing this with our children is we can just go ahead and eat it. And that way, just wait for me to finish eating. That way, they'll get the taste of it, and they're getting used to the eating food raw, which is great. In fact, my husband used to say that if he'd been given fresh spinach as a child, he would have learned to love spinach much earlier. So, big one in this family is the spinach, of course. But in the same family, we have beets. And beets, they've got the same sorts of leaves, bigger. And you can see the purple inside them. And we can eat the beet greens, and we can actually eat the beet roots. So in this family, we've got leaves, and now we've got roots as well. And so these are our beets, and of course we all like pickled beets and things like that. And then in the same family again is Swiss chard. And now when we look at the leaves in Swiss chard, they're kind of crunkly, but they're still smooth on the outside. And just look at the difference, or rather the similarities, between a beet green and a chard. And they're very, very similar in taste as well. And that's kind of fun as well. So in the same family, we have amaranth and chia and all sorts of different ones. In fact, if we want to eat our weeds, we can eat lamb's quarters. And that one is a cash crop in the Southeast Asia, and yet we consider it to be a weed.